Let's cook jack-o'-lantern cheesesteaks. Jack-o'-lantern cheesesteak. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna cook jack-o'-lantern cheesesteaks. Hey, Halloween's right down the road, and let's do something and have a little fun. I've got some rib eyes that I picked up at the store, and I've got them partially frozen so I can get some really small thin cuts. Cast iron over some hot coals. We're gonna put the ribeye meat in there. We're gonna add a little bit of thinly sliced onion. We're gonna cut jack-o'-lanterns into these cool orange bell peppers. And when we serve them, they're gonna look like jack-o'-lanterns. And we're gonna have some provolone cheese as well. And we gotta season it up with the Grilling Addiction rub. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these steaks cut up super thin, and we're gonna get them on to the cast iron. Then we're gonna prep our bell peppers, cut nice cool little jack-o'-lanterns in them. We're just gonna set this stuff off to the side, and we're gonna work on these here. Like I said, they're partially frozen. What we're trying to do is we're just trying to get really small, thin cuts. Look at that right there. Nice, thinly sliced ribeye meat. Now we're gonna get the onion. All right, guys, there's our onions. All right, now's the star of the show. These orange bell peppers, they look like kind of little mini pumpkins. What I did is I tried to find some that had a unique design or to it, and then that I thought would make cool little jack-o'-lanterns. So what we'll do is we'll take these, we just want to lay it on its side, and we want to cut the top off. All right. After we get that top cut off, we'll take our knife. We'll just get our seeds out. We want to make sure that we don't puncture the bottom. Just like that right there, guys. All right, now we're gonna take our bell pepper and we're just gonna make our little design. I decided to use a really sharp fillet knife for this. It's got this really fine tip on it. Alright guys, check that out right there. Looks just like a little jack-o'-lantern. Now let me get the rest of them done. Here they are, guys. Final product. Cool little jack-o'-lanterns. Alright guys, now it's time. We're gonna get the meat on our cast iron over here. Cast iron's over some hot coals. It's gonna be fast and furious at this point. And then we'll stuff our peppers. Peppers will go back on the grill and we'll melt the provolone cheese. Guys, here we go. Guys, we sprayed the pan down with our avocado oil. Avocado oil is a high burn oil. That's what I like to use. But you're about to be able to listen to that cast iron sizzle. We want to spread our meat out, get good surface area all over it. If our pan gets too hot, I've got the coals banked on this side. We can slide the pan over to reduce the temperature, okay? When you're cooking on a Weber kettle, always give yourself an out, okay? If we had our coals spread out all across, we wouldn't have an out. So this way we're doing it here, we can leave ourselves an out. All right, now we're gonna get it seasoned up, and then we'll add our onions in there. All right, guys, grilling addiction. Now we're going to go in with our onions. And if you don't like this many onions, just use a quarter of a small onion. All right, we're going to give it one more season. And I'm gonna let it set here, and we'll get a little texture. We'll flip it one more time, and then it's probably gonna be done. We're not cooking to temperature here. We're just cooking to doneness, and when that ribeye pulls apart real good. All right, guys, now it's cheese time. This is provolone cheese. I like stuff extremely cheesy. So we're gonna do that there. I'm gonna close the lid. We're gonna let that melt. We're gonna mix it around, and then now we're gonna start stuffing jack-o'-lanterns. All right, guys, it's all melted up. Now we're gonna start stuffing jack-o'-lanterns. All right, guys, we're gonna mix this up, and now we're gonna stuff our jack-o'-lanterns. Okay, guys, the glue on this one is going to be one more slice of the provolone cheese. And then these will go back on the grill. Guys, that's a wrap on a cold cook jack-o'-lantern cheese steaks. You guys give this thing a try if you, for your Halloween party or something like that. Jack-o'-lantern cheesecake. Hey guys, that's a wrap on another great cook. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Hey, drop in the comments what you thought about this cook. Maybe how you would do it a little different. Also, give me an idea of what you'd like to see me cook on the channel. Hey guys, we'll catch you on the next video. We're out.